today's video, you will learn to solve quadratic inequalities. Quadratic inequalities are of the type like a general form is ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0, or it can be ax square plus bx plus c is less than 0. So basically, these signs in any algebraic sentence shows or expression shows that represents inequalities. So in today's video, you will learn to solve quadratic inequalities. So quadratic inequalities can be solved by sketching a graph and considering when the graph is above or below the x-axis. For example, if you have to solve a question of the type x square minus 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. This is the quadratic inequality, and you have to solve it. So first you suppose that first you need to sketch the graph of this y equals to, we suppose that this whole expression is equals to y. So you can write here y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. And you know how to draw its graph. First you factorize this expression. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3. So you can write it x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equals to y. Now you can find intercepts. To find x-intercept, we substitute y is 0. So values of x are 3 and minus 1. And you see that the coefficient of x square is positive. So you know the shape will be like this. And you will first draw the curve, and these are the values of x-intercept. It means the curve crosses the x-axis at point 3 and minus 1. So we will draw a curve like this. For example, this is minus 1 and this is 3. So shape of the curve will be like this. You just draw a sketch of this curve. And for the line, for this curve, x square minus 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. You need to find the range of values of x for which the curve is positive. Positive means above the x-axis. Greater than 0 means for which the curve is positive. Positive means above the x-axis. So means this region. Above x-axis is this part. So the solution is x is less than minus 1 and x is greater than 4. So your answer is x is less than minus 1 and x is greater than 3. So this is how you solve the quadratic inequalities. Now we do one more question. Example question is x square plus 5x minus 14 is less than 0. So first you factorize it. Factors are 7 and 2. X plus 7 into x minus 2 is less than 0. Now x plus, first you assume that this whole expression is equals to y, and if you have to find the values of x-intercept, you write x plus 7 into x minus 2 is 0. So the crossing points are minus 7 and 2. So these are crossing points. At this point, your curve crosses from the x-axis. So for x squared plus 5x minus 14 is less than equals to 0, you need to find the range of values of x for which the curve is either 0, if it is less than 0, equals to 0, either less than 0 or negative, means it should be below the x-axis. So first you need to sketch the curve. How will you sketch the curve? Same way. The shape will be, because this is positive, the shape will be like this. And the points are minus 7 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 2. So it will be like this. So middle point, we must first find the midpoint. Which is minus 2.5. It will be like here, turning point will be. So this is your curve. And because this is less than 0, so the solution will be represented by the range of the values below the x-axis. So first we highlight the portion. This is the portion below x-axis. So this is minus 7 and this value is 2. So then you get this, the solution is minus 7 is, if it is less than equals to, then you will write minus 7 is less than equals to x is less than equals to 2. If there is not lesser than equal sign, you are supposed to write just minus 7 is less than equal to x and lesser than 2. This is how you can solve quadratic inequalities.